Hi guys, this is Anne. It's been a while, I know. Okay, now we're going to talk about the next topic. It's going to be critical ways to be happy despite circumstances. This is from a coaching call that I've been listening to or I've been attending, and I'm just going to share some of the points I thought were really important about it. And he talks about that. I have some notes here which I will refer to, that we need to do what we enjoy more often than we do, because sometimes we find ourselves that we do what we think is we are obligated to do, but at the end of the things, what you think you're obligated to do is actually a choice that you have decided to make. I choose to do what I need to do. We need to take accountability for what's going on in our lives right now. So what he's talking about is we have to choose at least a few days or a few hours in our lives where we do the things we enjoy to do. So he talks about we choose 5 things we like doing. For example, I like making recipes. I like learning about health. Oh God, sometimes I wonder, do I like those, or is it because of the circumstances I am in? Those are the kinds of questions you're supposed to ask yourself. Most of the time, we don't really realize that we're just doing things out of, maybe you want to make money, you want to pay your bills, you want to do all that. But are you actually doing the things you love to do? Do you take time to do the things you love to do? I love making recipes. I love learning about health. I love learning about things like meditation. I love exercising. I've neglected myself from exercising, and then I have some pains in my hip. I digress. That's my own personal thing. But yes, choose 5 things you love doing. Even though you on a daily basis you just take 5 minutes to do them, it makes you have more self-esteem. It nourishes your soul. It makes you reevaluate your life, nourish your inner child, make you feel more confident with yourself. You have new confidence. So it's important to do that. So you just realize everything you think is an obligation is actually a choice. So first comes happiness, then comes as a base of life, then comes money and success and all other things. So you have to realize everything you do is a choice. So you have to rephrase from saying I need to do something to I choose to do it. I choose to do it. So you make a choice. No one is taking forcing you to do something. It's you decide it's a choice. Don't make things look like I need to. You say I choose to. You never say I need to. You say I choose to do something. So you make everything a choice. You are in charge of your own life. I create my life the way I want it to be. So you create your life the way you want it to be. So everything I think is an obligation, actually a choice. So I've chosen right now to record this. I've made it a choice. I've not made it an obligation. It's a choice. So when you when you put everything into that perspective, then it becomes you're in control of your own life. You don't feel like circumstances or other people are making you do it. It's like you decide. It's a choice. Don't make it's like an obligation. I need to. You say it's I choose to. When you choose to, it liberates you into realizing you're in control of your own life. Yes, that's it, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.